underwater propeller cleaning, multi-stage micro-polishing of all surfaces, and the maintenance of the smooth surfaces is vital in order to save energy and optimize the performance of the ship. Improvement of vessel's performance. The rough propeller leads to power loss, which can be up to 6%, as well as an increase of fuel consumption. The propeller blades function as a spoiler. The development of thrust that they generate is a result of flow around the blade. As the propeller turns, the blades generate a pressure difference in the water, pushing the ship forward or backwards, depending on the way that the propeller turns, as well as the pitch of the blades. There are fixed pitch propellers and variable pitch propellers. An important problem in shipping is the increase of roughness to the ship's propeller. As the fuel consumption and the emission of gaseous pollutants in the environment is increased, and significant losses are caused to the propulsion system. There are several factors which are responsible for increasing the roughness of the propeller, and which act together achieving a reduction in the smoothness of the propeller. These factors are marine pollution, underwater fouling, algae, and marine elements that accumulate on the surface of the propeller. From its structure, the propeller has a rougher surface, while an important role also plays the origin of the material, the deposition of calcium carbonate. After a short time in the water, the propeller develops a hard, rough carbonate layer, which is produced as a product of the cathodic protection system of the ship.